Hi there, cst250 class. My name is Charles Brashears, and I just completed the course in the spring semester of 2016. Now, I learned a lot in this course, from actual assembly programming to time management. Not a day went by that I wasn't introduced to a new concept. The programming language that you will be using for the semester is called PLP, and here is the tool. You may have seen something similar to this, like Eclipse or NetBeans IDE. You will learn how to use this tool as the semester goes along. This is where all your programming is done and compiled. What I would recommend to students coming into this program is to get themselves familiar with this tool. Take the first couple of days to mess around with it and get to know what each button does what and what each setting does. There are also more videos on Blackboard that will show you how to use it, and they go more in depth about it. As the semester moves along, you'll be placed in groups and do group projects. One thing that I have learned about group projects is that you need to be actively involved with your team members. Stay in constant contact with them, like via email or via Skype. With these emails that we have right here, they go back months, and that was our main source of communication that we used. Or you could also use, like I said earlier, Skype. This is what we use to show our displays and talk in real time with each other whenever we need to talk with each other at that moment. You'll find this tool handy as the semester goes on. Another tool that you'll be using later down in your major map is GitHub. Now this is where you'll upload your code, and it will push it up to the cloud-based service and then push it back down on your team members' computers. And each of them will get the updated version of the code that was just sent. There's no more sending code via email and getting it lost in email threads. What I've enjoyed about cst250 is the openness of Professor Sahoni and his TAs. They are very helpful with every student, and if at any time you need help, email one of them or post it on Piazza. Piazza is a discussion board that we use this semester to post any questions or concerns that we had about the class. And we would get a response back pretty quickly, so you're not left in the dark that long. Also, go to Professor Sahoni's office hours. I went there not that long ago, and he was very kind and patient with me. He helped me with my program. He basically allowed me to think in a way that I hadn't thought before. And it ultimately helped me get a better grade in the class. If you apply yourself in this class, you will succeed. I hope these quick tips helped you out with cst250. You're going to have a good time in this class. Just come to class on time and stay engaged, and you'll be just fine. Thanks, and have a good semester.